Just watching some Grimm here. And here's butterscotch. Butterscotchy. Butter. 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 Look at me. Look at the camera.
You didn't know that was her. He was coming to get her. I couldn't control her.
Yeah. Your husband brutally murdered a gas station attendant.
You let her out of your sight.
I didn't even know she was out of the truck. That happened so fast.
Your back on her.
Are you saying your daughter was responsible? April, no! This is your anger off.
Bye-bye. The greatest show of all time, Grimm. You guys really should watch it.